Hello everyone. We'll discuss some more problems related to the quick maths. Okay. We'll come to one problem now. Okay. There is a shop, and the shopkeeper. In the shop there is a trouser. That mark price was given as 500 rupees. Okay. But the shopkeeper is selling that trouser in the reduced price of for the rupees 400. Then we need to find the decrement percentage. Okay. So here, if you want to find the decrement percent, what is the first thing? First, you have to find the decremented value. Okay, decremented value is what? Decremented value D is equal to what? The mark price means mark price MP minus reduced price, that is RP. What is the mark price? 500. Okay. What is the reduced price? That is 400. So 500 minus 400 is what? 100 rupees. Because these values was given as rupees. Okay, and we need to find the percentage of decrement. So if you want to find the percentage of decrement, the formula is decrement value, that is decrement value by actual mark price, that is mark price MP into 100. Decrement value is how much? 100 rupees by actual price is what? 500 rupees. 500 into 100. 0 0 0 0 cancel. Okay, so here 100 by 5. 100 by 5 is the remaining value. 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 10 0. So decrement percent is 20%. This is by using formula. Another way, if you want to find the answer in less than 10 seconds, what is the mark price? 500 rupees. What is the reduced price? 400. That is, there is a variation of 100 rupees. 100 rupees is how much part of 500? 20%. So answer is 20%. Using formula, we have the solution. By just seeing the value, we have the solution. This is the way we can solve this problem in two ways. We'll discuss one more problem which is related to this percentage and all. Okay. Vinay save his salary 50% every month. Vinay save his salary 50% every month. Okay. And every month he saves a rupees of 1000 rupees. Okay. Now the question is, how much monthly income Vinay has? That is, the first thing is how much monthly income Vinay has. Okay. So because the answer is what? 50% of salary, 50% of salary, that is X percent is given as 1000 rupees. Because why 1000 rupees? The first statement given in the problem is that Vinay saves 50% of salary and Vinay saves 1000 rupees. That is 50% of salary is 1000 rupees. Then what is the full salary? That is 100% means what? When 50% is equal to 1000, that is 100% X is equal to 2000. Okay, 2000 rupees. So what is the monthly income of Vinay? 2000 rupees. Now the question is, in exams you will get want the salary of Vinay monthly and yearly. See, monthly is 2000. When it comes to 1 year, because we know 1 year has 12 months. So 12 into 2000 rupees. That is 12 2 ja 24. Because why 12 2 ja? Because monthly 2000 rupees, 12 months. So 24,000 rupees. This is one answer. For 1 year, 24,000 rupees. For what is the salary of the 3 years? Just multiply this value with 3. Because per annum 24,000 rupees. For 3 years, it will be 72,000 rupees. Okay. So just see, without knowing percentages, just by applying the simple logic, 50% of salary is 1000 rupees. Then what will be the 100%? 2000. That is the monthly salary of Vinay. From that you are finding the salary of 1 year, and after that you are finding the salary for the 3 years. We will discuss one more problem which is also related to percentage. Okay. Here the problem is that Mahesh attended college with 80% of attendance. Okay. Mahesh attended, another condition given in the problem, that Mahesh attended the college 200 days. Okay. Now the question is, how many days the college was open? How many days college was open? So we need to find the number of open days of college. Okay. So here first we have to undertake the preconditions given in the problem. What are the preconditions? The first statement telling Mahesh attended college 80% attendance, and he attended total 200 days. So open days we don't know, so we are taking the value as x. So 80% of x, that is 80% of x is equal to 200. Why 200? Because the statement given, Mahesh attended college with 80% attendance and he attended college number of days as 200. So 80% of x is equal to how much? 200. So 80% of x means whenever percentage symbol used, it will be always multiplication. 80 by 100 in multiplied by x is equal to 200. So we want to know the value of x. So 0, 0 cancel. X is equal to, so here it is dividing. When it goes here, multiplication. 200 into 10 by, when here it is top, when it goes divide. 4 2 ja 8, 4 5 ja 20 and 0. Okay, 0. 2 1 ja 2, 2 5 ja 10. 55 ja how much? 250. So total number of college days, how much it is open is 250 days. This is the answer. Now we can validate our answer is correct or not, because 80% of 250 just 5. What is the value of 80% of 250? 80 by 100 into 250. 0 0 cancel. 5 2 ja 5 5 ja 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 45 ja how much? 200. So is this matching with your answer? Yes, because Mahesh attended 80% of the college. That is, he attended 200 days. What is the total open days? 250. So it is matching perfectly with the answer which we got. Now we'll discuss some more problem related to the fractions and percentages. Okay. So here there is a square given. You can assume this figure is given. Okay, and it is divided into 8 equal parts. Okay, it is divided into 8 equal parts. Already there are 2 parts of the figure was shaded out. So if you want to shade out 50% of the figure, how many more parts of the figure is to be shaded out? Okay, so this is, now we have the parts 8 only, but in some of the critical exams we'll get there will be more number of parts. So to solve that, the best way is that first give the numbering for the parts whichever given in the figure. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, so here 50% of what the question is, 50% of the figure to be shaded out. Total how many parts? 8. Out of 8, 50% means what? 4. 50% is just half of 8. So already how many parts of the figure was shaded out? 1 2. So how many more need to be shaded out? 1 2. So to shaded out, shaded out 50% of the figure, just we need to shade out 2 more parts. Suppose if the question comes, we want to shade out 75% of the figure, then how many? 50% already we have, so we need to shade out 2 more. Okay, 2 more means what? Total 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 parts of the figure, that is 75%. Okay, these kind of problems will come with respect to the percentage and fractions and parts of the figure. We'll discuss one more problem which is related to the percentage. Okay, here the condition given is that there are 2 persons A and B. There are 2 persons A and B. The first statement given in the problem is that person A having more than 100% of income, person B. Person A having more than 100% of income than B. Then how much percent B is less than A? Okay. So when A is more than B by 100%, then it is not directly B is less than A by 100%. There is a difference. Okay. So to find out the value, what is the way we can find out how much lesser percent B is than A? We have to find out here. So the formula is how much less percent, means less percent formula is higher percent by, higher percent means 100 by higher value, that is how much percent A more than B, higher plus 100 into 100. Okay, higher percent is what? A is more than B by 100. Till now it is fine, A is more than B by 100. The higher value again what? 100 plus 100 into 100. 100, okay, directly write 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. Okay, into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. Okay, so 100 by 2 is what? 100 by 2 is 50. So B is less than A by 50%. We can find out this by taking some sample values. Suppose B income is 100 rupees. B income is 100 rupees. Then with respect to the first condition, A is more than B by 100%. So what will be the A income? 200. Why 200? Because A is more than B by 100%. Means already B has 100. More than 100 means what? 100 plus 100. Okay. So 100 plus 100 is 200. So how much B is less than A? Okay. That is B is less than A means what? 200 minus 100. That is 100 rupees. So how much percentage is less? How much percentage B is less? So less value by this value, that is A value, into 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. That is 100 by 2. That is less percentage is what? 50%. So this answer is matching. So always the best method is apply the formula. How much percent B is less than A means higher percent by higher percent plus 100 into 100. That will give the value. Thank you. This is the way we need to find. Just simply apply the logic, and if you use the formulas, if you apply just by seeing the numbers, it will be very helpful to solve these kind of problems in an efficient way in all competitive exams. Thank you.